For the past few days, a new type of documentary video has been appearing on YouTube. As the narration continues, deep, three-dimensional scenes appear on the screen. These scenes look much more realistic and cinematic than ordinary flat images, and that's exactly why this 3D documentary style is spreading so quickly. Take a look at the latest video. It was uploaded just one day ago, yet it has already crossed 1 million views. There are many videos like this, and every single one has crossed 1 million views. The surprising thing is that as soon as they upload the video, it starts getting all these views. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the entire process of how they make these videos and how they spread so quickly to so many people. Before that, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment letting me know how you liked it. Naturally, a question comes to mind. Surely creating these deep 3D scenes requires Blender or some heavy 3D software. The real answer is no. Now the entire process can be done with AI without any 3D modeling skills. You only need the right prompts and the correct order of using the tools. In this detailed tutorial, I'll show you the entire process from the very beginning, how a simple idea turns into a complete, depth-rich 3D documentary video. Step 1. Structure. Choosing the story and topic. The foundation of everything is a good story or topic. First, open ChatGPT or Claude AI. I'll be recording, but you should use Claude AI because it's much better at giving detailed explanations. It describes exactly what we want in great detail and is quite different from other AI tools. Head over to the Google Docs link. The master prompt has been prepared so that it guides the entire documentary creation process step by step, from choosing a topic to generating the script, scene breakdown, and image prompts. If you want this master template prompt completely free, simply comment viral 3D. As soon as you comment, I'll reply to your comment with it. Copy the entire prompt carefully without leaving out any part, because if anything is missing, the output won't be as good. Then go directly to Claude, paste everything, and if everything is correct, click the Generate button. After that, it will usually show several categories such as the pilot who vanished with $19 million, the surgeon who kept operating after death certificates piled up, the cartel's ghost accountant, and more. Choose one of these categories and the system will generate 10 specific topic ideas. If you don't like those topics and want more, simply type more and click Generate. Claude will then provide 10 more new topics. For this example, let's choose topic number 3, the cartel's ghost accountant. Then click the Generate button. Once the topic is confirmed, it will ask how long you want the video to be. You can choose anywhere from 30 seconds to 10 minutes. For this example, we'll choose 1 minute. Simply type 1 minute and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the system will generate a character sheet prompt. It's very detailed. It's not just one character sheet, not 2, not even 3. It actually creates 4 complete character sheet prompts. Now our job is to copy them completely and go to the image generation tool. Open Google Flow, choose image generation from the settings, select long image generation, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, select Nano Banana 2 as the model, and choose Many as the output image option. Once everything is set correctly, paste the prompt and click Generate. You'll be surprised to know that image generation doesn't require any credits. It's completely free. Within a few seconds, the generation will finish. As you can already see, it has created the images. Every character is described in great detail, including the character's angle, scene description, clothing, and everything else. Return to Claude. Since we've finished image generation, type Done and click Generate. Claude will then generate scene breakdown and voiceover script 1 min completely. For the next step, simply type Start and click the Generate button. Claude will then generate step 5 image plus animation prompts. These will become the foundation of our video. Copy the first prompt and go directly to Google Flow. Paste it, then drag the character sheet image into the reference image section. Once everything is ready, click Generate. If the server isn't under heavy load, the first image will be generated within a few seconds. As you can see, the image has been generated, but there's one problem. Some text has appeared on the image. To remove it, drag the image back in and type Delete all text, then click Generate again. Within a few seconds, the image will start generating again. If you ever face this issue, applying this trick will solve it. Now you can see the image no longer contains any text. Next, return to Claude, copy the second image prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it, drag in the character sheet as the reference image, and click Generate. Then return to Claude, copy the third image prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it, drag in the character sheet as the reference image, and click Generate. Then return again to Claude, copy the fourth image prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it, drag in the character sheet as the reference image, and click Generate. Continue this same process until all the images are generated. There's no need to download the images. Just leave them there. Once the process is complete, we'll move on to creating the videos. Go back to Claude, copy the first image prompt, go to Google Flow, paste the prompt, drag in the first image, enable the settings, choose video mode, select long video, choose the 16:9 ratio, set the output length to 8 seconds, and select 1x video as the output. Each video generation uses 12 credits. Once everything is ready, click Generate. The video is usually completed within 1 minute, although sometimes it may take slightly longer. In most cases, it's done within a minute. As you can see, the video is complete. If we preview it, we'll see a person sitting inside an office. A fan is spinning beside him, and behind him there are posters, a telephone, and other office objects. You'll also notice that the camera movement is very smooth, giving it the feel of professional cinematic motion. Return to Claude again, copy the second image prompt, go to Google Flow, paste it, drag in the second image as the reference image, and click Generate. Again, return to Claude, copy the third image prompt, go to Google Flow, paste it, drag in the third image as the reference image, and click Generate. Return once more, copy the fourth image prompt, go to Google Flow, paste it, drag in the fourth image as the reference image, and click Generate. Continue this process until all the videos have been generated. After that, we'll download the videos. To download a video, click the 3 dots on the specific video. You'll see the 1080p download option. Click it to download. Repeat the same process for all the videos. If you choose 720p, the video resolution will be much lower. You may remember that earlier we generated a script. Now it's time to convert it into audio. For that, we'll use 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs, then click Text to Speech. You'll see a large text box. At the beginning of the script, type fast. This makes the voice a little faster and more professional. Now return to Claude, copy the complete voiceover script, go back to 11 Labs, paste it, choose any voice you like. I'll keep the default voice without changing anything. Once everything is ready, click Generate Speech. After a few seconds or up to 1 minute, the audio will be ready. To download it, simply click the download icon on the right side. Now everything is ready. Next, we need to edit the video. We'll use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the videos. First, place the audio on the timeline. Then one by one, place each video clip on the timeline in order. If any video is slightly longer than the audio, simply trim the extra part. Now the entire timeline matches perfectly. Remember, we requested a 1-minute video earlier. As you can see, the final video is also almost exactly 1 minute long. That shows how powerful the master prompt really is. Now we'll generate automatic captions. Click the text icon, scroll down, select Auto Captions, and click Generate. Within a short time, the captions will be generated. Don't worry, everything we've used so far is completely free. Once the captions appear, adjust their size according to your preference. Then on the right side, you'll find the template option. Choose any template you like. To make the video even more professional, we'll add transitions. Click the transitions button and search for black fade. Apply this transition between every video clip so none are missed. Now everything is finished. If you want, you can make additional edits, but in my opinion, this is already enough. Now simply click Export. Our video is now completely finished. There's just a little work left: creating the thumbnail, researching the title, creating the description, generating keywords, and so on. Return to Claude and type, "Yes, can you give me thumbnail?" Then click Generate. Claude will generate Step 6, thumbnail. Step 7, title. Step 8, description. Everything will be explained in detail. Copy the thumbnail prompt and return to Google Flow. Go to Settings, select Image Generation, choose the model, select 1x output, paste the prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, the thumbnail has started generating. It may take a few seconds. Now you can see that the thumbnail has been created. It looks clean and professional. There's no need to teach you how to use the title and description because you already know how to use them. If you don't know how to do proper SEO, let me know in the comments and I'll make a new video about it. That's it for today. You've now seen the complete process of creating a full depth-rich 3D documentary video by combining several free AI tools. If you enjoyed the video, stay subscribed to the channel, leave a like, and let me know what you thought in the comments. See you again in the next episode with another mystery.